Hey everyone, I'm Jess from Yes Please AI, and today I'm going to be going over one of our e-commerce essentials for 2023, and that is using smart filters. So you can see that we're on the Handsome's website. That's one of our clients at Yes Please AI. They're a big retailer in Korea, and we're going to use the Yes Please Virtual Mannequin Filter to find a dress. To the right of the screen is a very easy to use, engaging visual filter that's leveraging AI to auto tag and index all of the Handsome's products. So all I need to do if I want to find a dress is select the product attribute I want to filter by. So let's say we're looking for a long sleeve dress. I find the visual cue that corresponds to the dress, and all I need to do is click to filter. And let's filter by length too. So I'm going to go with midi. So oftentimes, text-based filters are confusing for shoppers because they might be wondering what's the difference between midi and mini, for example. And you can see that with simple illustrations, we can solve that problem. If I scroll down, I also see my options for patterns, and there's automatic grayouts for patterns or colors that aren't available. So I'm going to select black and blue, for example, show results. And these are all of my midi dresses available in black and blue. It's really that simple. And our research has shown that retailers that use the virtual mannequin filter are increasing their average cart size from 1.9 to 3.6 items. The virtual mannequin filter is also available for different products. So if we go up, you can see that there's tops, for example, and the image and attributes change based on the product category. So for example, pants, we'll see fit, rise, length, all the attributes that shoppers want to filter by. This is really helping retailers not lose out on discovery opportunities. All they need to do is plug in and they can access the virtual mannequin filter. If you're curious to learn more, you can check us out at yesplease.ai.